Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Zen Active walking pad. This is one that the manufacturer sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. So I'm going to show you how it works. I am a mom of 4. It's just nice to, especially in the winter here in Michigan, to have the opportunity to walk even when the weather is terrible. This is a really good size. So here's my hand. When I'm standing on it, kind of gives you an idea of the size of it. I'm 5'4" and my gait is on the smaller side. This has lots of room for me. My husband's closer to 6 foot and his gait will fit on here, but it's a little bit tighter. So just keep that in mind if you're extremely tall or have long legs. This is nice because it's going to track the amount of time, your speed, the distance, the calories you're burning. All you have to do is plug this in. There's an on-off light right here. You'll see that it comes on. This one has a remote control, which is nice because you can use this while you're walking on it. You don't have to bend over and push any buttons or anything like that. If I go ahead and hit the power button, that would wake it up. I did just hit the manual button, so that also turns it on. Again, you can see here the time. It starts at 00. If I hit, this is your go and stop button. If I hit this, it's going to time down. And then it's going to pick up, it's going to start walking. It's going to walk at the very lowest speed it can. And then you can increase that if you want to. It very slowly increases, which is really nice because it allows you to kind of find your gait, find what works for you. You have the ability to set a timer on here. You can also turn that beep off if you want to. A lot of times I will use this when my kids are still sleeping in the morning, so I'll just turn that off. And then you'll notice that you're not going to hear any beeping on that. So that's really nice. This will go up to 5 miles per hour, which is pretty quick when you're walking. So that's really nice because you have lots of options. You can walk really slowly or you can walk very quickly. If you want to set a timer, it will time for you. So you can see here, it's kind of telling you what the time is and it will time how long you're walking. This is also nice because it will automatically go in between all of these options. So right now it's showing you your speed, then it's going to show you the amount of distance, and then it's going to move to the amount of calories that you've likely burned. So that's really nice. You have this LED interface constantly going, so now it's timing. It says it's at 1:19. You can hit the stop button and it will automatically just slowly stop. It does not come to an abrupt stop, which is really nice. The track itself is very rubbery. It has a really good grip on it. If you have tennis shoes on, it works fantastic. So you'll see all I have to do is hit go here. It's gonna time down. And then when it kind of starts, you can start walking on it. I'm gonna increase my speed a little bit here. Just find like a really comfortable walking pace. I can see all the information right on the front if I want. You can really speed it up if you want to and kind of get a much faster gait going. But you can see the width of it is really nice. And what I absolutely love about this is it is very, very quiet. I don't know with my recording if you can tell or not, but it is a very quiet machine. So I really love that because I can use it when my kids are sleeping. It doesn't make a ton of noise, so that's great. When I want to stop, I just hit the stop button and it will very slowly stop, which is really nice. You'll see it's paused. And then I can also turn it off here if I want to. Something I do really like about this machine as well is that it does have wheels on the front. So it's extremely easy to move. All you have to do is pick it up on this end and I can kind of slide it on those wheels all by myself if I want to. So that makes it really easy to move. This walking pad does come ready to go, but it is nice because it also comes with the lubricant if you need that. It does say, depending on the amount of usage that you get out of it, that you may need to kind of use this every 3 or 4 months. And you also have this nifty little Allen wrench if you ever need to. You can put that Allen wrench right in here on the end, and you can tighten if you kind of notice that this over time starts to stretch out or anything like that, which is very common, very normal with treadmills and walking pads. All you have to do is use that Allen wrench to tighten it up. You can tighten one side more than the other if you need to, or vice versa, or the same. So that's really great. The remote control actually comes with the battery in it, but they also give you a spare. So when the remote control runs out, you can fix that. And then you also get your user's manual, which is very easy to use, very self-explanatory. But you do have that in case you need it. So it's nice because it does come with everything that you need. However, it is ready to use out of the box. There's absolutely no assembly required whatsoever. This would be very easy to stick under the couch or under a table, slide right underneath. It is extremely low profile. So here's my hand, kind of gives you an idea of the height of it. Very low profile, very easy to use. Even the interface, the side here that collects all of your data, a little bit taller, but still very low profile. So very easy to stow away if you want to. Overall, very awesome product. I absolutely love using this, especially in the winter here in the States where you get a lot of snow. Hopefully my review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not. But overall, really enjoy using this. It's an awesome walking pad and I highly recommend it.